Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing one of my new decks, and I think it's new out as well. It's Heavenly Bodies Astrology, the deck and little guidebook by Lily Ashwell. I love it. I'm very, very into astrology, and I do have a ton of astrology decks. Maybe not a ton, a few. Let's say that. Let's pull back a bit. And I'm kind of picky in that I'm looking for very specific things because I have a kind of a plan for the future. So this is the inside box. It's really pretty and simple. Heaven is under our feet as well as over our heads. Very, very, very lovely. The little insert book is hardcover. It's just really pretty. And it goes through all of the basic information, what to ask the deck, the energetics of the deck, and so on and so forth. We're going to go through the deck as well, but this is just like a delight to the senses. It's very sumptuous. I'm very much in love with this whole look and aesthetic. It's so, 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 so pretty. It's poetry on the back. This is the deck itself. Sorry, I'm getting accustomed to this filming area. More poetry. Very lovely. Here are the cards. Let's look through them.
This is a big tank here.
Shh, shh, shh. Bubba. Okay. Sun. Moon. Mercury. Venus. Mars. Saturn. Jupiter. Uranus. Neptune. Pluto. Chiron. And then the zodiac sign Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, and then we have the houses. House 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then we have the aspects: conjunction, opposition, trine, square, sextile, elements: earth, air, fire, water, modality, or I'm sorry, polarity, yin and yang. This is modality: cardinal, fixed, mutable, the north node and the south node, the head and the tail of the dragon. And so as you can see, it's so much astrological information, just super, super awesome. I've got big plans for this, so I'm really excited about that. This is the Heavenly Bodies Astrology Deck by Lily Ashwell, and I'm freaking psyched to own it. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.